Hello my friends, welcome back. This is Maltana, and guess what? I've got some exciting news for you. Some of you know that I've been working lately with a brilliant software developer who's all passionate about making plugins for After Effects. And I was lucky enough to get in touch with him, and the second we started talking, we had this level of communication. We basically think on the same wavelength. So his name is David. He's founder of Avidion Media, and he's been working on a real 3D plugin that is something that is coming out somewhere next month. I kind of asked him to do a very small plugin for me to use on the Making It Look Great series training. It was just something that I needed for a tutorial. He said no problem, and this is how our cooperation started. So you're going to see a lot of amazing plugins from us. But let's just cut to the chase. Please bear in mind that the plugin that I'm going to show you is available for download from my website for free. But keep in mind that this is a pre-release provided as is with no support whatsoever. So basically install it on your own risk routine. So if it's going to blow up your computer, it's not my fault, or it's not Avidion Media fault, or it's no one's fault. It's only your fault. Okay? So keep that in mind. But from what I know, some people already are using it, and I'm using it. Nothing happened so far. My computer is still here, as you can see. So let me just show you what the MotionGrabber is all about. Let's say we've got this silhouette footage in here, which I got from uberstock.com. They got very nice footage there. You should check it out. Also, check out the Uberstock profile on istockvideo.com. A lot of nice footage there. Let's say that I want to create a circle that will basically lit up the characters. Let me just create a simple background here. I don't really like the color, but that's not the point. Circle, and go like that. Normal, and let's just move it in here. Now, how would you normally do that? Well, you would probably have to keyframe this every few frames. So let's just move a couple of frames, create a new keyframe for the circle effect, and then just move another few keyframes, move it, move another few keyframes, move it again, and so on and so forth, right? This is pretty time consuming, and basically it's tiring and boring. So what I thought, okay, maybe I should use a tracker, right? But just look at this. I got a huge blob, and there's actually no information that I could track using the built-in tracker. So this is how the MotionGrabber was born. So let me just show you what exactly it's for. MotionGrabber, and let's just put that onto the footage. And it's that simple. You just apply it to the footage, or to a null object, or to whatever layer you like. Then you choose layer to read, and in our case it's this dancing guy MOV, and then you just click grab, and that's basically it. You just wait for a few seconds, let it process the data, and it's going to give you 4 output informations. Okay, the capturing or grabbing the data is done. So the main output, the main feature of this free plugin, of course, of this free release of this plugin, is the geometric center of the alpha channel. Let me just show you how it looks. If I scrub through the timeline, you can see that the point is following our character, and it's following the character pretty well. This calculation is not based on the bounding box, so just checking like this and then making and then outputting the center. It's actually a geometric center of this figure. So that's actually very good. And we also got output area, which is basically a percentage of how much space does the alpha channel occupy in the whole composition or in the whole footage. based on the first frame. So the first frame is always 0, and then when it goes up or down, this means it actually is a little bit less than the first frame. Here it's less again, and here it's actually twice as large, probably. So this is kind of useful information. And you also got the output width and output height, which is basically the width and height of the alpha channel that has opaque pixels. So let's just use those data and go to the circle effect and simply alt click, use the pick whip, point to the output position, hit enter to confirm, and we're ready to go. Check this out. I know that some of you might think that it's, you know, it's nothing cool because it generates nothing, you know, on the picture, nothing as cool as Particular or the upcoming Real 3D plugin from Avidion, but I think it's actually pretty useful. I'll be happy if, you know, you're going to use it at least once. You know, if you're going to use it just once, then I'm going to be happy, really. Okay, guys. So I guess that's it. I just wanted to show you this small little upcoming plugin. Remember that this is a pre-release. That is not going to get any kind of support. Like I said, it's provided as is for your usage, and you know, just use it at your own risk. And let me know what you think. I'm really looking forward for your opinions about this. Thanks again. Check out the blog, check out the website. Stay tuned because there are more cool things coming up soon. Happy After Effecting.